In this tutorial, I'm going to review what I showed in the last meeting about how to log into WordPress and change your team information on the AerospaceJam website. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a browser and go to the login page. So blogs.uww.aerospace.jam/wp-login.php. And hopefully you've got your login figured out. If you haven't, let me know. I think we've got pretty much everyone figured out. And then log in. This will take you to the WordPress dashboard. Yours will look a little bit different than mine. You may not have all the same options over here, but your team pages are under the pages link. So go ahead and click that. You're going to see all the pages on the site, and you're going to scroll down until you find your school's team page. Once you do, you'll click on this edit button. So I've got an example here, Compass example page, and I'll go ahead and click the edit button. This will bring up the WordPress editor. You'll get a little bit of instruction here that I would follow about how to use the block editor within WordPress, or you can go ahead and close that. I've put together some things that are close to what we hope that you put on your page. You've got some photograph, again, maintaining any policies that your school has about photos of students, a list of who's on your team, a little bit about your background. You may have some updates or progress to date as we go throughout the competition year. And so you can kind of let everyone know where you're at as we move along. So the way that the editor works, not quite like a word processor here, is that there's different blocks and different types of blocks. So an image will be a block, a text, a paragraph will be a block, a title will be a block. And you can, in between paragraphs, mouse over it to get this plus. You can go up here and see all the different types of blocks that you can add. So galleries, audio files, YouTube videos, and so forth. And add the blocks to make your page. You can also go in and just click on things and edit things and change names, make things bold. I can go into this image and let's say I want to zoom in a little bit here. And I'm going to get a better picture of my drone class here. Apply that. Now it's zoomed in a little bit. I can also change the caption down here. And so on. Add a block at the bottom here. Another paragraph. And once you're done, you're going to click this update button. That's going to update it for the public to view. If you do, you can save drafts, but I suggest hitting the update button when you're done. And then just to check to make sure everything changed the way that you thought it would, click on this View Page button, and that will open the link on the page with the headers and footers, and I can see the changes that I made. So have a shot at changing your team page and getting it updated, and let me know if you've got any questions.